Okay, you guys, so I made my plate and stuff, so. Excuse me? So, what he say? Well, anyway, this is my mac and cheese, the ham, collard green, and that's my potato. Okay, so, well then, you know what? I need my stand. If you want me to eat it, get my stand.
You know, yeah. You sitting in the luxury your sister's seat when she comes. So you gotta do that. That shout out.
Right.
You like.
This is my daughter. Her loud mouth.
We said she ain't gonna eat all that.
Whatever. Get out of them cooking. Look at my daughter.
What, jealous?
Oh, Lord have mercy. She didn't really say that, did she? No, I'm taking a picture.
Okay, Tanya. Lord have mercy. Bother me.
Oh, Lord.
They sitting there spraying for.
Oh, this mac and cheese is really good. That's how they do it.
We have a casualty of looking at the person.
And that's when she be up in the room, probably up there.
Oh my God.
You're supposed to.
Look, see, that's what I'm saying. You're trying to make your video funnier.
But don't bother me the next time you come over here, please.
You should know.
What happened?
Where's sponge?
What?
To the eggnog.
Oh, what? It's in the refrigerator. Look in the refrigerator.
And look, you see how she be looking at both of us? So here,
Because I was smacking. That's what she's supposed to do. I'm trying to give a sound effect.
That's what I was messing with her. You said that you bought me a cup.
Merry Christmas, you guys. I hope you're
You bought me a
No, I said you can use that
Wow,
cup,
look at that.
the Christmas cup in there.
Oh, I thought it was a gift.
No, the eggnog is in the refrigerator.
What are you doing, Tanya? Making that noises and stuff. This candy.
Okay, Tony, do you have to
You did like this sound.
like that? See, you don't have to do that. He's gonna get a elbow in the mouth.
Melissa, wait, I didn't say it. Where's she going? I told her the eggnog in the refrigerator. There's something going. What's she going in there for?
To get that
That's
glass.
Oh.
Man, you think I'm that day slow or something?
You gotta laugh.
That's what I said it was a nigga. Like that, you stop it off. If I was that slow, I don't think I would eat nothing like that then.
Alright, you guys, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe with your friends and family. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well.
Talking about food in your mind?
Well, hell, that's all they be doing, right?
I told you that she wasn't going to finish it.
But anyway, if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. To show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. This is my Christmas dinner. And if you already subscribed to my cooking channel, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, make sure you keep your notification bell on and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed night and be safe out there, you guys. Until then, bye-bye. Okay, you guys, this is my plate. Couldn't finish all the meat, but I mostly finished everything else. Also, I would probably put this leftover in a container bowl. Also, my grandbaby had baked some cookies last night. She brought it over where her mom helped her bake it. So now I love different kind of cookies. Boy, I love peanut butter cookie. Wow, I grew up on that. I don't know what this is. I think this is. It looked good and delicious. Okay, so they have been kind of eating on it. But yeah. So I just want to show you guys. Sorry. I'm gonna take this because I love the peanut butter cookie. Don't that look good, you guys? There you go. You can take the first bite.
I love you.
I love you too, Kenneth.
That's good, you guys. All right. You have to come back one more time. Wow, that's good. All right. Bye-bye. I have to come and show you what's for dessert.
So what can I do for you?